what is soil? What is the importance of soil?
Soil covers most land part of the earth.
You find plants, animals, houses, and other organisms on the soil. We live on the soil and it helps us in many ways.
Different types of soil have different characteristics. Each soil type differs in color, texture, odor, and its ability to hold water. There are three main types of soil, namely clay, loam, and sand. Clay. The texture of the clay is smooth. It can hold much water and becomes sticky when wet. The particles are packed together tightly. The soil can be used in making pots and ceramics. Loam. The texture of the loam is combination of sand and clay. It can hold enough amount of water. It is made up of bigger particles than clay and smaller than sand. This soil can be used in planting most of the plants. Sand. The texture of sand is coarse. It can hold a small amount of water. It is made up of the biggest particles. This soil can be used in construction material and as a medium for planting cactus and aqua plants. Some soils are good for planting while others are not. The presence of the different kinds of vegetative plants in a place is an evidence of a good quality soil in the area or locality.
Soil is a system into which energy and matter from the sun, the atmosphere, and living organisms penetrate and interact. It is a system because it is composed of many different parts and layers. Each of the layers has unique characteristics and has a special function to perform. The main layers of the soil are organic, topsoil, subsoil, parent rock, and bedrock. Organic. This is the upper layer of the topsoil, which is mainly composed of organic materials such as dried leaves, grasses, twigs, fallen trees, small rock surface organisms, and other decomposed organic matter. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. This layer is rich with organic materials called humus and with minerals needed for plant growth. Humus comes from decaying plants and animals. The soil's dark color is an indication of the presence of humus. Several kinds of plants can be seen growing on this layer. Subsoil is located below the topsoil. It is composed of loosely arranged rocks, sand, and clay. This layer is very rich with minerals that drain from topsoil. When the topsoil is washed out, the subsoil alone cannot support plant life. Parent rock is composed of rocks that are slowly breaking apart. It is exposed to very little weathering. It does not contain necessary nutrients and water needed for plant growth. Bedrock is the lowest of the soil layers. It is made up of undisturbed large boulders and gravel. This layer contains materials that are good for constructing buildings and making roads. No plant life can survive in this layer.